All right, so we just finished a wonderful meal packing event and it's time for cleanup. I'm gonna show you how to put away your assembly line. Now some of the lines, you're gonna notice that you still have some ingredients left. In this one, there's still some rice in this bin, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'll take this bin and I'm gonna bring it out to one of the pallets and place it on the pallet and maybe even consolidate the rice that's in this bin with another bin that still has rice in it, right? And then I'll bring this empty bin back. So I'll have another green bin that I'll place here, and we'll go ahead and consolidate this line. So I have now this bin emptied out. You're gonna go ahead and take out the lining, and you're gonna take out the lining from both of the rice and the lentils, as well as the veggie bin. Please make sure that you take out any of the spoons or the cups. And these linings are just go into the garbage. From there, you'll consolidate even these rice into where the rice bins were. And now it's time to pack up these bins. Now in some instances, you're gonna have wipes where you can go ahead and wipe out the interior of these bins to make sure that they're staying very clean. Once the bins are clean, you're then gonna stack the green bin inside the gray bin. You're gonna take what the veggie bin was, and they're gonna go ahead and take the shoe boxes, the 2 shoe boxes that you have, stack them together and place into the former vegetable bin. From there, you'll take your 2 rice bowls, and you should have 3 tablespoons. Take your 2 rice bowls, place it inside the shoebox bin, and the 3 tablespoons are gonna go into the trays that were on the scales. So I stacked the 2 trays together, place it on top, and we'll place that into the shoebox bin. The other item that goes in the shoebox bin are the 2 purple cups. So these were used for the rice and lentils. You'll go ahead and place that into the shoebox bin. And then the 2 scales, I just slide it right next to the shoebox bin, like so. Now you're gonna go ahead and disconnect both of your sealers from the extension cord. You're gonna wrap up both of these sealers. Now you may have like a 9 to 12 foot extension cord, and you can go ahead and disconnect that as well. Now be careful though, because there might be an additional plug in here that's going to another assembly line that's still packing their meals. If that's the case, go ahead and leave this cord as is so that that other assembly line can finish their meal packing. But if it's free and clear, go ahead and unplug that cord so it can be packed in your assembly kit, okay? Now the first items that are gonna go into the assembly kit is going to be your sealers. So take your sealers and place it into the green and gray bin. From there, you'll then take your extension cord, if you have one, place it also inside, as well as your tape gun. And then the last item that's gonna go in is the veggie bin that now has the scales and the cups and whatnot. If you have it available to you at your location, go ahead and take 2 clean purple bags and 1 clean white bag for the vegetable bin and place it into the kit. If you don't, that's okay, but go ahead and place it in the kit if you do. And then from there, you'll place the cover on, and this kit is ready to be sent back to the warehouse. The other thing you'll note though is that you'll have vitamins and bags left over from the event. If that's the case, there should be a location within your meal packing room to place the extra vitamin bag, the vitamins and the bags too. You may have a lot of leftover ingredients inside your tray. If that's the case, go ahead and take out the funnel, and the vitamins in the bags, and take that tray and the contents in it, as far as the ingredients, and just pour that into the waste bin. There should be a location within your meal packing room to stack the trays and to stack the yellow funnels. The same would happen with the grids as well. And that concludes the cleanup. Thank you.